Which of the following plant is able to show rolling of leaf during mid of day? The question is almost connecting two things you must be knowing. Rolling of leaf you would have learnt in the process of, or actually histology, anatomy, structure you would have learnt how, why exactly it rolls, right? Then which exact the following among the plants show rolling of leaves? First is Nerium, next is Melia, next is Ammophila, all the above. Dear students, first thing what you have to know is what are their common names, right? Because most of the time you have known these names or botanical names only for few plants in regular classes like taxonomy classes. But these questions, whenever you get botanical names, you are supposed to know botanical names commonly for some plants. At least for in such questions you will understand what will be their common name. Right. So, Nerium plant is the one which is belonging to family Apocynaceae with pink flowers, it is called Nerium. Melia is Melia azadiracta, that is nothing but your neem plant, right. Then Ammophila is a type of grass plant, right. So, all the above. Let me show you some pictures and you will understand how are these plants. This is Nerium plant, you can see Nerium leaves are like this, they are growing in bunch, like Nerium shows. Some other context you would have learnt this. Nerium shows the whorled phyllotaxy, it has whorls, bunches. Then this is the Ammophila grass, right, it is like bent grass we call it. There is a different type of grasses there. Then comes Melia, this is nothing but your regular plant, what you call it, the Melia azadiracta, it is a neem plant, right. So, among this which one is showing rolling of leaf? So, now you think of the previous thing where you have learnt about the leaves will roll in daytime, where it happens. Do you remember the presence of some special cells in the monocot leaves that are called as motor cells or bulliform cells in the upper epidermis. So, in daytime these bulliform cells lose water and leaves start rolling like a pipe, right. So, that is a major characteristic of all monocotyledonous plants. So, whether they ask Ammophila or any other grass, you will get only in this plant rolling, because Nerium is a dicot plant, Melia is also a dicot plant. Therefore, among the three options, whatever, four options actually they are given, the Nerium is rolled out, it is a dicot plant, it does not roll. Melia is the neem plant, it is again dicot plant, it does not roll. Ammophila is a type of grass which belong to family Graminae. Therefore, it is the one which shows rolling of leaves. Therefore, the right option should be C, not D, because it says all are right. Therefore, among all the four options, Ammophila or any monocot leaf you take, they will normally have the rolling. Why they roll? Because they have bulliform cells and it is again it is going to shrink in daytime and roll the leaves. It is an adaptation to reduced rate of transpiration. Therefore, this is the right option. Ammophila is a monocot plant leaf that rolls in daytime to reduce rate of transpiration.